Hello friends, today we will talk about the Easter centerpiece DIY decor ideas. Easter is a time for celebration and renewal, and what better way to decorate your home for this festive occasion than with a beautiful DIY Easter centerpieces. Whether you are hosting a family gathering, a dinner party, or simply want to add a touch of springtime cheer to your home, there are countless ways to create a stunning centerpieces that capture the spirit of the season. So here are some Easter centerpiece DIY decor ideas to inspire you. First of all, Easter egg topiary tree. One classic Easter centerpiece idea is to create an egg tree. Start with the styrofoam cone or foam ball and glue plastic Easter egg in various colors and sizes onto it. You can use a hot glue gun to attach the egg and add embellishment like ribbon or flower to finish it off. This centerpiece is not only easy to make, but it also adds a bright and playful touch to your table. The second one is flower arrangement. This is another beautiful centerpiece idea is to create a flower arrangement with spring blooms like daffodils, tulip, roses. You can choose to create a large bouquet or opt for smaller individual arrangement to place at which each place setting. To create a cohesive look, choose flowers in pastel colors like pink, yellow, and lavender. You can also add some greenery like fern and moss to your centerpiece, a more natural look. The third one is Easter basket centerpieces. An Easter basket centerpiece is a classic idea that never goes out of style. Fill a wicker basket with wax, grass, or shredded paper, and then add decorative Easter egg, bunnies, and other spring themed items. You can also add fresh flowers or candy to the basket for an extra pop of color. The fourth one is spring candle centerpieces. For a more understated centerpiece, consider creating a spring candle centerpiece. Start with a decorative tray or platter and add a few pillar candle in spring color like pink, blue or green. You can also add small flowers or greenery around it to make it more attractive. So guys, if you like our ideas, click the like button and subscribe our channel.